If you have been looking for how to improve on your typing speed, and you don't know where to start from, don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share with you a free website where you can improve on your typing skill. This website offers free typing lessons, free typing tests, free typing quizzes, and anything you can think of on how to improve on your typing skills. Remember, to become a transcriptionist, to work as a transcriber, translator, captioner, you need to improve on your typing speed. And most of these jobs requires you to have at least 40 to 60 word per minute typing speed. So if you're looking for how to improve on your typing speed, watch this video because I will share that website with you. It's completely free, no hidden charges whatsoever. All right, and again, I'm going to share with you another website that is currently hiring transcribers from any location, and it is really going to pay you between 450 euros per month to 3,000 euros per month. Okay, so if this is what you're looking for, watch this video to the end. So hi everyone, if today is the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and always leave a comment. Please try to leave a comment and like the video. A lot of you watch the videos without liking it. Please leave a like and comment. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for coming back. So we're going to dive into this video right now. So the website is called typingtest.com. So you can head over to your Google Chrome and type in typingtest.com, or you click on the link in the description box because I'll leave it there. So when you come to this website called typingtest.com, then you click on typing test. This is the home page. So here you can see that it has about it has different levels of tests. If you're looking for 1 minute test, how to improve your typing limit for 1 minute, then you choose it. Then it also has different levels. So if you want the easy level, you can also get a certificate. The most important one is that if you're able to get a certificate, you can attach this to your resume whenever you're applying for transcription jobs or any jobs that requires you to type. You can attach the certificate to it. Okay, so once you select what you're looking for, you click on start. So this is how it looks like, and this is for 1 minute. So what you do is to retype these things that you're seeing here. You retype it. So after retyping it, for instance, so guys, pardon these ads because this is the way they make their own money. After all, the website is completely free, so ignore the ads. So this is how it works. Then you start typing. So once you're done, it will automatically give you your results. Okay. So once you get your results, and then you can keep it. But the most important one here is that this website is completely free, and you can try this test as like it's unlimited. So you can try it unlimited times. Yes. So like this little one I did now, you can see to show you the result. If you're not happy with the result, you try again. So it shows you your typing speed. It also shows you your accuracy and all. Okay. So this is really good for beginners, people that are just starting out. All right, so take this test, improve on your typing skills before you even apply for any job whatsoever. Make sure you take this test. before you start applying for jobs. Because when you improve on your typing skills, your typing speed, you would complete jobs quicker and make more money instead of sleeping on one particular job because you're slow in typing. So to become a transcriber, even to work for data entry industries, you need to improve on your typing skills. Okay. Also, most of these companies are looking for high typing speed and accuracy and attention to details. So if you have these things, you're good to go. So the second website I'm going to share with you guys, it's called Happy Scribe. So this particular company is hiring right now. It's hiring transcribers from any location. Okay, so remember, working as a transcriptionist allows you to work from home. It allows you to work from anywhere. It allows you to choose your own time, choose your own days, hours, and so you're going to work for yourself. You're going to be your own boss. You're going to be a freelancer. So this company is currently hiring, and they pay between 90 euro per minute to 450 euro average monthly pay. And also it could pay you up to 3,000 euro per month. So how it works is just submit your application. Of course, you take an assessment test. That is why I showed you the first website where you can learn and improve on your typing skills. So here you take an assessment test, and you complete the questionnaire. They will be in touch as soon as possible, right? Then you select a transcription. You show your magic and start working on the file that you selected. And then the payment plan is bi-weekly. You get paid directly into your account. Also, I've talked about you people getting a PayPal account before you even start applying for jobs. Secondly, get a dollar account. Dollar account will allow you to receive payment from any currency. So make sure you get a dollar account. If you're in Africa, get a dollar account. Some countries like Kenya can always use PayPal. PayPal is allowed in their country. They can always withdraw into their bank account directly, their Kenyan shillings directly, unlike Nigeria where you don't have that opportunity. So make sure you get a dollar account. It's free of charge. Just go into your bank and talk to them about dollar account, and they would help you open a domiciliary account. That is where you would receive your payment, your dollar payment. You can also open it in euro or pounds. Okay, so they pay bi-weekly into your bank account. So how you're going to do this is just to sign up, put your details, and then they will check your skill and then review your application. Okay, don't forget, to become a transcriber you need a laptop or a phone. You need a headset to be able to hear whatever you're listening to, the audio you're listening to, because the job of a transcriber is simply to listen to audios and transcribe or convert them into words. All right, so you get a headphone, if you get a laptop, if you have a phone, okay, and then foot pedal. Sometimes you require a foot pedal for it. So if you have all these things, you're ready to start. And then make sure you improve on your typing speed. Take these free typing lessons. Check out this website, typingtest.com, and take the test to improve your typing skill. So after that, you start working. and you get paid depending on the amount of job you complete. Remember, improve on your typing speed so that you'll be able to complete lots of jobs in a week. Don't sleep on this thing. All right, so guys, I think we're going to end this video here. I'm also going to share with you later websites where you can learn how to transcribe. Again, some of these websites charge a little money, $14. You have to invest something to gain something. All right, so pay this money, get this knowledge that you require to make more money. This is no longer the time that you give an excuse. I have children to look after, I can't go to work, I'm lacking this, that, I need money, or you're taking loans. No, when you can do the job from the comfort of your home and also looking after your children at the same time. So I'm going to share those websites with you. Pay the money and learn how to transcribe and become your own boss. So I hope this video helps someone, and don't forget to like it, subscribe, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you have a question, leave it there in the comment section and I will attend to it. You know I reply to all your comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.